Let's explore the world of regular expressions and understand the nuances between greedy and lazy quantifiers. We'll uncover how these quantifiers behave and how to control their matching behavior. On the slide, we have a visual representation comparing the greedy pattern star with the lazy pattern star question mark. Before diving into the greedy versus lazy concept, it's important to first understand what quantifiers are. Quantifiers specify how many instances of a character, group, or character class must be present in the input for a match to be found. Here are some common quantifiers. The asterisk symbol indicates 0 or more occurrences. The plus symbol indicates 1 or more occurrences. The question mark indicates 0 or 1 occurrence. And finally, curly braces with NM inside indicates between N and M occurrences. Quantifiers in regular expressions are greedy by default. This means they attempt to match the maximum possible number of characters that satisfy the pattern. The example on the slide shows that the pattern less than symbol, star, greater than symbol will match, less than symbol div greater than symbol, content, less than symbol / div greater than symbol. It tries to find the longest possible string that starts with a less than symbol and ends with a greater than symbol. Let's see a greedy quantifier in action. Here we have the pattern less than symbol star greater than symbol. The text we're searching is less than symbol div greater than symbol hello, less than symbol / div greater than symbol, less than symbol span greater than symbol world, less than symbol / span greater than symbol. The greedy match will be the entire string. Less than symbol div greater than symbol hello, less than symbol / div greater than symbol, less than symbol span greater than symbol world, less than symbol / span greater than symbol, because it finds the longest possible match starting with a less than symbol and ending with a greater than symbol. To make a quantifier lazy, add a question mark after it. This reverses its behavior, making it match the minimum possible number of characters. So the formula is quantifier plus question mark equals lazy. Here are some examples of how to make quantifiers lazy. The greedy star becomes the lazy star question mark. The greedy plus becomes the lazy plus question mark. The greedy question mark becomes the lazy question mark. And the greedy open curly brace 2,5, close curly brace becomes the lazy open curly brace 2,5, close curly brace question mark. Let's see a lazy quantifier in action. Here we have the pattern less than symbol star question mark greater than symbol. The text we're searching is less than symbol div greater than symbol hello, less than symbol / div greater than symbol, less than symbol span greater than symbol world, less than symbol / span greater than symbol. With the lazy quantifier we get 4 matches. Less than symbol div greater than symbol, less than symbol / div greater than symbol, less than symbol span greater than symbol, and less than symbol / span greater than symbol. It matches the shortest possible strings enclosed in less than and greater than symbols. Here are the key differences between greedy and lazy quantifiers. Greedy quantifiers match the maximum possible characters using the pattern star. Lazy quantifiers match the minimum possible characters using the pattern star question mark. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.